You can expect a lot from the 2011 Buick Regal. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rear parking sensors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.